I'm back out.
Hey, good morning. Sorry, right back there, 445. Yeah, well, listen, all those gates out there off your website, boy, I tell you, my head swelled up so much. I was like, oh my goodness, my little weak station over here on the West Coast is actually doing a little bit of damage on back east there, Tim 4. Anyway, numbers there, 445, and wow, man, I really do. You know, hats off to all those DAC Mark 10s you got on your desk there, man. That one's always had a soft spot for me there. What a really pretty radio. Anyway, numbers out there, 445, Skippy Base Station operation, waving four fingers and a thumb, and I'm back down off this key.
Hi, Skippy. I ain't got but one Mark 10, the other two are Mark 9s. Temple? Anyway, 73's out there, Skippy, 445, back in the mud.
Hello, 432. Hello, Fort Blue. 87 Mobile, Connecticut. Get there.
You be good now.
No doubt about it.
Well, this early in the morning, I got them all tuned up already there, 9. I guess, it's working, Tim 4.
It certainly is. Roger, right on, Mr. Worldwide Spark Plug. Old Buster Brown in the mixtape working the low side of this baby driver, no doubt about it. Hey, Mr. Worldwide Spark Plug, I'll put it on you later. Old Buster Brown. Hey, 374. 374, you got Ratchet, Northern Gal.